Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be explaining you like every single thing you need to know about the new On Fire collaboration with the company. So you guys can see the beard is also going on. So for this event there won't be any section in the limited time events. If you're confused, then there won't be any like the events like the No Shave November, so there won't be anything like that. So then if you want to move in front, then you can see in the sets you can see the limited time event where you can find all of the sections of all of the players. So going to the news section, I'll just give you like an basically and you know I'll just tell you what all you can unlock and you can't. So basically you go to the news and then these are all the players. I'll just go through their stats real quick. So looking at Grant, the small forward, it depends. I mean, it doesn't look like he's that good of a 3 point shooting, and his layup is good, dunking is good. I mean, we won't utilize the dunking and layup of a small forward that much, as you already have your center and your power forward. So overall, I don't at all recommend you getting Grant, no offense, as a player. Yeah. So looking ahead from Grant, you guys can see like I like the player that much. Going in front to Jackson Jr. This is him. He's the center, and looking at the center, he has a good mid-range as well as a mid-range shot. Free throw, he's good. Like everything what you need of a center, he's good. 85 dunking, a little lesser than I expected by an 84. Non-auctionable, as you guys know, but it's a really strong card right there. And obviously, the next is the super like non-unlockable card, like a really good card though, Curry. Like this legit shooting Curry with a 93 shooting from 3 point, legitimately not expected by an 89. 93 is one of my 92 cards who's a shooting guard doesn't have this good of a shooting from the three. Even my power guard, point guard doesn't have a good shooting from the from three. So I think the boost is actually like giving two boosts from his shooting, and for looking at the other perspectives, dunking is 77, 85, layup, agility is good, speed is good as always. Curry, you know who he is, and looking at Edwards, these are all of the. Let me remind you, these are all of the on-fire players as the season has just started. So like every player who's on fire in the season, like scoring, demolishing the teams in front. Grant, Jackson Jr., Curry, Edwards, and we will be looking at fall also after this. 3.78 dunking, not expected that much. 66 dunking, layup is good, inside pin shot, scoring with contact. Free throw mid range, 3 point shooting is a little low with the contested shot. Alright, it is. So for speed and agility, it's alright. I don't like him as an overall card. He is playing really good in the seasons I've seen him play, but he's not like really good in the area now. In the card you can see right there. So as you know, Taco Fall, the tallest, like the real beast player out there, one of the tallest in the NBA history. Yeah, he has 74 shooting from 3 point. Really did not expect that. Dunking 84, 81 layup. Overall, a super highly affordable card. Not affordable, like a really good card. The only bad side is that you'll have to like it doesn't come in whatever the events. So basically, the three cards what you can't get without putting money inside the games, which is NBA cash and all, is Curry. Obviously, you can't get Curry without putting in money inside the game. Every other card you can get. I'm just go to my sets real quick. Going into the sets, I'm actually grinding for the best. Miles Bridges, he is the one under Stephen Curry, playing really good, and he's actually unlockable. So this is the day one of me grinding. I just need a little more 77 players, 73 to 77, and I have 10 ignite tokens. So I think I'll take around 6 to 7 days to get the player. The but the event will only last for 5 days, so I'll have to like not 5 days for a week. So then yeah, what I was looking for perfectly with a day extra. Every other YouTuber is telling that it'll be for 5 to 4 days. That's not fake, because like you need to see the timer instead of listening to them. Like I know like the percentage is really good about like telling when it will happen and when it will not. So for after you get all of these cards, you get the um, after you get Grant, I can get Grant tomorrow. I don't really want him though. After you get all of the players, so basically you guys can see this. You guys can get you guys can get all of these players in front of the screen right now. Grant, Jackson Jr., Edwards, Bridges. If you get all of these 4 players, you can unlock Steph Curry. On the you guys can see the on fire tokens. These come from all of these 4 players. You guys can see all of these 4 players. These 4 players give the on fire tokens, and the best part about this is you can see this the one under. So you are 2 of your 72 players, or 70, whatever they ask for, like 1 to 75. So you are 2 of them. You can claim. I'm on timer. You should at least claim this twice a day, and if you're still awake, so you can claim it thrice. So yeah, this is all the sets. First of all, if you guys are like looking for a player, only go for, like, if you're actually looking for a good player and some good OVR, only go for my man Bridges. Okay, he's like the best you can get, the best of the best you can get. So looking through, then you can go to the shop area now. Go to the shop. This is another point for purchasers who purchase a lot of stuff in the game and like want to put money. So first, basically, you can get the VIP events. I'll cover the how to get tokens after. So basically, to unlock more of these cards, you can buy this pack. Obviously, choose Fall or Randall. For one of those cards, you can check out their stats on like going inside them and checking it from like any other Google or something, or go to some other YouTube and then like YouTube video and check their stats out. So then in the on fire special, you guys can see select between 2x86 OVR on fire players. So if you like cut that out, you guys can take 2 of these packs and take it as 20,000 NBA cash. So after you take, you guys can obviously get Randall as well as Fall, and then you'll get 15. So take it as 30 tokens from both the times opening it, and you'll get 2 on fire tokens. So instead of you guys have to be taking those bad players and wasting your tokens, you guys can just buy this pack twice and not waste your tokens and get both of the good players and then Steph too. To unlock more of these tokens, as I showed you, you can go into sets and use the token exchange for 2 players, or then you can go down to the NBA Live today, and this is where the VIP event comes. So this is where it is, the one for first win, and then you'll get your whatever you call your cards and the players. This I'm gonna do it again. It just unlocked for me. So this is the one now, and then for the guys who are taking VIP, this is the place you can get 2 tokens every single play, and then you guys can do this 5 times, at least like 2 times a day, I guess, because this is the second time I'm going to do it after the video ends. And then you can go to the store, and then I'm going to show you 2 examples. I'm going to collect some more money if I can today by selling one of my players for super cheap, like 10,000, which hopefully should get sold. I'm going to take one of these other Ignite tokens, and you guys can buy Ignite tokens for NBA cash. And this is really good because you can easily buy it to get so I'm gonna like show from auctions how you can earn money. So just go to my auctions. Yeah, I'm like putting some stuff overpriced because I need money right now, because I just bought a Porzingis, and I sold him already for no reason. I bought Porzingis thinking that he's a good player. I mean Porzingis is 3 is good, but then I don't like Porzingis is overall now. So basically you guys can go to the sell option. You guys can see right there, and by going to the sell option, then you guys can go to Sexton or whichever player you want to sell. I'm going to sell White for like 15,000. 15,000, and then what? I want to put it as 10,000. So this guy should be sold real quick. I really don't need the card anyways because I don't like White. I have the overall White in my second lineup, main lineup, because for some reason my main lineup and my second lineup got divided for some area. So this is then my second lineup, and then my other all-star lineup is the overrated players. Like overrated means the most popular players in each of the strand I have. So obviously I'm gonna be putting in my Curry, and then Booker, and then Robinson, Blake Griffin, and Dawkins. As for me, Dawkins was more popular than Holmes. So yeah, I just clicked on Max O'Weir by mistake. I'll just change that afterwards. So going back to the auctions, I'm gonna just check if mine got sold real quick. Okay, my auctions. So you guys can see right there. Only 15,000. Obviously, gonna get sold. Really good deal. So yeah, guys, that's all for the video. I think you guys understood where to get your tokens, and if you want me to do a challenge, I'll just do that. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you guys do every single thing I've told you. Buy, go to the shop, take the 25,000 purchases. If you're looking for the 87 car I'm talking about, the Bridges, Mild Bridges, is the best car you can get out of this promo pack and all. And then if you want me to make a video on the No Shave November, I mean, I don't like this because basically it's also pay to win, basically, in other words. But then if you want me to make videos on gameplay and all, just tell in the comments. This is going to be my starting series of this game. And if you guys see me energetic, so think that's an afternoon. If you guys see me like lazy and tired, just take that as morning. And if you see me like this, like how I'm talking right now, like energetically tired, that's gonna be the night. So what is happening? Hello. Okay, whatever. I think that was a glitch. It showed me twice. I'm gonna be ending the video here. Thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe and follow me. Subscribe to the channel and share all of my videos, because this will really help all of the people who are beginners. And I'm gonna be giving you a chance to play with me, and I'll be obviously talking to you soon. Bye. Meet me in the next video tomorrow, same time.